Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. As you all know, I'm always here with interesting videos that will help you in raising funds in this crypto space. That's by running a lot of test nets to get airdrops. So right now, the particular one I'm working on, which I want to show you guys, is Quest, which is Base on Base network. We all know what Base is. I've done some video on Base earlier before now, and this is another one from base, which it was actually made clear that you'll be earning by being an early user on this platform. So if you have run my video, if you've run the testnet I made earlier on base and Axela, that should have earned you early usage. So but using this again, I believe it will give you more higher hands in getting their reward. So right now, the first thing we need to do is actually to connect wallet, which I have done already, and you'll be connecting to base test network, which will automatically prompt you when you click on connect. Even if you're on the wrong network, it will prompt you to switch to the correct network. So that's the first thing we'll be doing when running this particular testnet. So the main thing we'll be running on this particular platform is actually what's it called? We'll be running contract deployment rather, sorry, contract deployment. And when you're running contract deployment, we all know we have to use remix. And when using remix, it's just basically about deploying contract. You can see get testnet funds. That's the first thing you need to do. Make sure your wallet has base testnet. Like my wallet now, let me check, do I have base testnet? This one, the wallet I'm using. Yes, this is the wallet I'm using. You can see I have just 14. I don't know if it will be enough, but I'll just give it a trial. So now, let's go by start quests, terms of service, blah blah blah, continue. So now we'll be asked to fund our wallet. In order to complete, you will need base Guali. You can get Guali ETH from a base testnet faucet. Click on request Ethereum, this and that. Then let's go this. Let's go and check if the testnet token comes fast. Just give it a try. If it doesn't, I might just have to bridge Goali to base. So let's see. So it says I need, for me to run this, I actually need coinbase wallet. Okay, let me just give it a try with the amount I have. Okay, this I can actually smart contract address. So you can see there is no way we can get smart contract address if we don't deploy contract. You can only get the contract smart contract address only after you've deployed contract. So now for us to deploy contract, we need to go to Remix. We'll be using Remix for contract deployment. Remix.ethereum.org. I'm just trying to give it a trial to see if this my base will be enough. So let me just give it a trial. How many days ETH do I have? I don't think it will be enough. Let me check other wallets. I don't even have any other wallet. So okay, and this is how it is. This is how Remix looks like. So, but now I need to get a base ETH first. So this is one platform I always use anytime I need base Guali. When I actually have Guali testnet, so I don't have base Guali. So if you also have Guali, or if you don't know how to get your Guali is very very difficult to get for free now. Which you can use the video I made earlier on how to get enough Guali by buying with either Arbitrum or Arbitrum mainnet token or Ethereum mainnet token. It's very very easy, and I think it's far better than wasting time on claiming free Guali. You can watch the video. I'll drop the link in the video description section. So here you can just use your Guali to actually buy base. So how do you do that? You can see here they said you move from Guali to base Guali. So now let's just go and bridge. We just need to bridge assets. Let's come here. So in your wallet, this is the you can see my wallet has been automatically connected because I've used the site earlier before now. So now from Goali, this is the Goali I have available. So I can just use 0.5, or let me just use one. I just use one Goali. I'll deposit ETH into, you can see from Goali to base. Make sure you are doing the right thing. Then deposit, switch network, because I'm on base and I'm sending from Goali. So I'm supposed to be on Goali, not on base. Yes, you can see it will move me back to Goali network. So now I'll deposit one ETH. Then confirm. So I'm confirming deposit right now. So you can see transaction has been confirmed. So using this bridge alone might actually earn you reward. That's one thing also that you need to know. That's why I always try to use all this. I always try to explore everything, because using this bridge now can actually make them say, okay, even Arbitrum, they ask, okay, people who have used bridge is also part of the criteria for getting their airdrops. So this also might also be a criteria. I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying it might be. So you never can tell. So here you can see the one has just been taken. So let's go to our base Goali and see. This is base Goali. So it's here to drop. It's here to drop. It's still, I believe, normally bridging, not all bridge comes instant. Some takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even hours. But I don't know. I've used base before and it doesn't really take too long. So let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see. So as you can see, it just dropped. It was around 9:51. I did that's just like less than a minute. So now we are done with the bridging. So we can just leave bridging. Then we'll go back to, let's go back to our initial page, which is here. So now I'll connect back to base. Let's go. Okay, I'm still on base Goali. So right now let's go to remix. This is remix here. The first thing you need to do when on remix, you need to first of all create your .sol file first. That's the first thing. You please and please, if you create the wrong thing, you might be having difficulty. This is what you need to click. Just follow as I'm doing. You can see create new file. Just click on it. You can just use any name of your choice. It mustn't necessarily be the name I am using. I can just use my own name, .sol. So that's it. You can see. So this is the contract we'll be using that was created by MZTA Cards. Most of us know him on what's it called, on Twitter. So now I'll just copy it. Okay, let me just use this option then. Copy link. Let's hope it works, because sometimes if you use copy link, it doesn't work. But let's just give it a try. Control V. Okay. So it's there. So it's not copying the right thing. So we'll go back. This is what I need to copy. Okay, since I've highlighted it already, I'll just press Ctrl C. For mobile phone, I believe it will let you highlight too, then you copy. Then let me click on this. When you see the contract, you will know, no, this is not the contract. I'm sorry, guys. So, yeah, this is it. Then I do Ctrl C. You can see I had to manually highlight it. You can see. So I highlighted it, then paste it here. So after pasting, just watch what I do, so that you not disorganize everything. So when you're done with this, you see, Then you come here, click on this. You can see when you are done with this, just wait for this compile to finish rolling. So you can see when it's finished rolling, by when it's finished rolling, if you compiled, if you paste correctly, you see this place, it will turn this green. It means you pasted correctly. But if it doesn't, that means you must have pasted the wrong thing. Then you try again. You make sure you delete, you clear everything, then paste the right thing. Then click on compile sole. Just click on compile sole. You can use Control S to compile, as you can see here. So now automatically it has been compiled. For it to have shown this green, it means compile. So anytime you click the compile and you see this green, it means your compilation is fine. Then when you're done with the compilation, just come here. When you come here, just go to injected provider. It will automatically connect to my wallet because I've used it before. But for yours, if you're doing it for the first time, it will pop up your wallet for you to sign this connection so that you connect your wallet. So now what you just need to do now is we need to deploy contract. Then how do we go about deploying contract? Just come to this side, just click on this deploy. Click on deploy, you will see send transaction. You authorize transaction in your wallet. Please just make sure you follow this instruction as shown here. That's all you need to do. Just click here. You can see the gas fee is 0.4. That's almost half of what I breached. Thank God I breached more. So you can see, just wait down here. You will see if it's okay. You can see it's green. It automatically means that contract deployment is successful. So now I'll go to my wallet. I'll go to wallet. When I go to wallet, I'll come towards here. This is the transaction that we just signed. I will just, you can see contract deployment. So I'll click on it. Go to view on block explorer. You have, if you don't do this, all you're doing, it means nothing because you've not really done the main task. This is just the peripheral of what exactly is needed. This we just going through all this process to get exactly what we want. You see, this is the transaction hash. That means that's like transaction details, record that shows the history of what you've done. Then this, you see, this is my wallet. Then right here is the contract information that you need. That's the contract. This one that is showing created green. Just copy it. Click on this sign. You've copied it now. Then go back. Then now we'll go to this place. That's the first page we opened when I started the video. Then connect back my wallet. So my wallet is connected back. So it needs to come up with the page. Let me just refresh. Let me refresh the page. Just hold on. Coming up. Yeah. Yeah, for those who didn't see how I connected the wallet earlier, how I connected the page to my wallet earlier, you can see now. So all you just need to do is just to select the wallet you're using. Then we'll go back. As you can see, it said get faucet, connect wallet, deploy contract, then mint your NFT. So you can see the next thing we need to do right now is to mint NFT. So which is start by clicking on start quest. When you click on start quest, you say continue. We've already done all those other things that you're seeing there. I've gotten the Guali and I've gotten the base and I've deployed contract. You can see instruction deploy contract on base testnet, which we've done. After it's deployed, paste the smart contract address below the contract that I just copied now. Then I'll paste it here. Then verify. If it's okay, it will show green. You see, it says nice work. This is a valid smart contract. It means it is okay. If it shows red, that means you must have copied the wrong contract or you didn't do what you're supposed to do. So just follow everything I did and you'll be fine as well. Then click continue. Then you mint your NFT. So simple. Mint the NFT. Let's mint NFTs. This is like the third time we are doing things on base. Though I didn't make a video on the first one. The first one was actually mainnet, using Ethereum mainnet. So, but this is actually just a testnet token. So here we confirm. The most important thing, some people will be saying maybe I didn't see the NFT in my wallet, this and that, blah blah blah. The most important thing is make sure this transaction completes and it's, you can see it said NFT claimed successfully. So now go to your wallet, you see the NFT signature. This is it. So if you want to see where your NFT is, you can always check on your wallet. Maybe once you click here, you see here, go to, if you view block explorer, if you want to know if it's okay, you can click on this. But you can go to your Ethereum app, what do I say, MetaMask app, to check, or whichever wallet you're using, to check the NFT, how it looks like, and so on. So this is it. You can see interacted to transaction successful. That's what I need most. I don't even want to know how the NFT looks like. The most important thing is you have claimed it and it was successful. That is the most important thing you need right now. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. That's all you just need to do on getting claiming NFT on base, and which they actually said it's a confirmed incentivized testnet. So see you guys and wish you guys all the best. Thank you. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.